For the customer who really likes the color and resolution of a VGA monitor, but is primarily using it for business programs. This offers a low-cost VGA solution. The maximum resolution is 720 by 400 and adjusts to 640 by 480 and 640 by 350, depending on the operating mode. This monitor has a unique picture tube in that it is stripe technology as opposed to dot technology. The stripe pitch is 0.51 millimeters. What this means is that the color is in strips instead of dots. This is designed very much like your television is. This monitor will perform business functions and graphic functions offline. Then press the test key.
So this is the helical head. That's a tape path.
Down here. Wait 1 second. And again, you will have a print quality page to show your customer.
Oh yeah, I see it goes down there.
The PB9815 can handle 8 pages per minute.
Right there.
That's fast enough for business and network use. The standard RAM is 1.5 megabytes and is easily expanded to 4.5 megabytes with an optional memory board. The installation of this board is easy enough to be handled by the customer.
That is so cool.
If the customer wants to buy this board,
and you said it was early
service
70s, right?
This particular machine is like mid 80s or so, early to mid 80s.
Or I mean like this
But
format.
the format would have been from about early to mid 70s all the way throughout the 90s.
Remember to ask for customer service.
Some stations were still using these all the way up to almost the year 2000.
Price range come with about 5
And we do everything from TV shows
so be
to
careful when you get a
commercials.
customer comparison shopping.
Hey, what's the runtime then?
This would be, this is a 1 hour tape, but you could get 2 hour tape reels in this size here as well.
Wow.
So this is a little commercial. That's Mr. Rogers' commercial.
Oh, that's really cool.
It's a fun little reel.
Wait, there's the tape in that one too? Is the tape actually in there?
It's there's just very little tape.
Yeah, I was
It's
gonna
only,
say
it's
super
only like 3 minutes or 4 minutes.
Okay.
I was looking for 1-inch tape because I'm going to need a 1-inch tape to calibrate my machine. Like I know I'm good recording. I can make recordings on the BDH 500, but I don't know if they're like.
No, they're the same.
9815 also accepts.
Yeah, like
Do you play them back? How do you think they played them back when editing?
That come in a software
I mean,
package.
like.
Shoving on
You
it?
can see that the customer has
They're
all
different.
the tools available to begin creating professional documents.
Okay, thanks.
This
Yeah,
stuff
of course.
here,
Like the rotary thing is like it just makes somebody had a cell phone somewhere. They need some right here. They need like the gateway address. Yours.
Guys, this is really cool. Check it out. It's not just the laptop that is kind of cool here. I've never seen a mouse like this before. This is physically just a roller. Where is the... How am I moving this, right? Like this, moving it up and down, and it's sensing me going left and right. Oh, it's that you're physically pushing the bar. Okay, there's a limit. You can only go so far. And where's the cursor now? Oh, there. Where's the cursor? I lost. Oh, there it is. There it is. Okay. Okay, that's pretty wild. Alright, guys. This is very interesting. I'm gonna reboot this really quick. So, it's a huge stack here. And forgive me if I don't know the model number off the top of my head. For some reason, I feel like this is a 5150. I could be wrong. It's an XT machine. Oh, it's got a different bootloader. Okay, so it's a 386. I wasn't paying attention. I didn't know how much memory it has. Oh yeah, by the way, this one has all of these extras. Looks like an expansion unit, according to this. Looks like a hard drive. I guess that's another hard drive. And those are the discs, the Bernoulli discs you were there that was just showing on the screen. And yeah, they got the Microsoft mouse, the M keyboard, Model M, I believe. I'm just rattling this off the top of my head. I could be wrong. 3.0 on double density diskettes, 5¼ inch. There's some Microsoft mouse box. But here's what I really want to show you guys though. First of all, let's do Ver DOS 6.22. WinVer 3.0. Now, this is how long it's going to take to load Windows 3.0. I'm not even going to fast forward it. Let's just do this in real time. Because here's what surprised me. And I'm going to show it to you too because it shocked me that this even worked. Now, I don't think I was able to do this back in the day when my first computer was a Packard Bell 46 running Windows for Workgroups 3.11. And I don't think I was able to do this before. But I can with this, and that's why I'm making a video of this, because I'm actually surprised that it's even possible. And I'm going to save it for later. You're just going to have to wait. I'm not revealing it yet. Okay, so check this out. Yeah. Program Manager. Requisite about. Right? Oh, so it's a 4 megs of RAM, I think? Or is this free memory? Alright, here's on a whim I did this. I ran the DOS prompt the first time I did this before I started filming. I wanted to check out like all the versions and stuff. First of all, look how long it took to even we are definitely spoiled. Yeah. Now, if you didn't know any better, by the way, just hit Alt-Enter to set this back up to, window mode. Then you Alt-Enter again to do full screen. So I was curious, like, what happens if you type in Win? Because I know that, like, if you type in exit, you get this exits out back to Program Manager. But if you type in Win, what? I don't think I can do this back in the day with Windows for Workgroups 3.11. And just to show you, it's still running inside of Windows Program Manager. No way. And you know what? Those of you guys who've, you know, used 3.0 back in the day, you might say, oh yeah, Nikki, we knew this. I didn't. This is new to me. Look at this. This is Windows 3.0 inside Windows 3.0. What? I'll open up File Manager here. Oh, it's chugging now. I'm thinking it's probably swapping to. It's got to be swapping to the hard drive. Ooh, it's not moving now. Oh, the hard drive's not even blinking, so I wonder if it crashed. Uh-oh. But I was able to switch back and forth earlier, but now it looks like it's not even responding. So we may have to reboot this. Let's see if I can Control-Alt-Delete will it. Nope. Alright, so this one does need to be rebooted. Uh-oh. But it was working when I didn't try to open up File Manager, so okay. I'm just surprised still that Windows 3.0 can open within itself in a DOS prompt. That's just nuts. Okay, it's now not responding, so I'm gonna have to hard reboot this. All right, I gotta go. I'm gonna talk to this guy. I'm gonna have to apologize. I broke it. Bye. Oh, you're using your phone's gyroscope to control it.
Yep.
How did they originally control it, or was that?
It was originally controlled with an Apple IIe.
Oh.
You took it up with a transmitter and a controller, or you could write programs that would follow preset paths.
Oh, okay, so it's pre-programmed. So you don't. Well, I guess you could probably
You could hook
directly
the
control it.
controller, to the Apple, and then you would transmit whatever you put into it.
Gotcha.
Right now, it's the original motors running through an Arduino to do the control.
Oh, okay.
We have the original electronics though. We hope to have those functional as well.
Oh, okay. So you didn't like retrofit original stuff that was in there. You actually put.
Yeah, put new
stuff.
Arduino control, Bluetooth module.
Okay.
To my phone.
Is that all it does? Is move around? Because I could have sworn it was like it's supposed to be a home robot that's supposed to serve you stuff.
Exactly. He kind of failed to live up to his expectation.
And were these other models that he made, or is that?
Yeah. So the one on the end is the sequel model, Topo 2. He has a different top. It's an infrared sensor.
Okay, yeah, I noticed. It looks the same at first glance, but yeah, I can definitely tell. Yeah, it does look. There are differences.
Yeah, right. That little grill is like chest piece. That was where he had a speaker, so you could make sounds. We kind of added on some speakers to him. He didn't originally.
Oh, that's what those are. Okay, I was like wondering that. I didn't notice it until just now.
Yeah, right. Yeah. Let's see. I can make it play Pac-Man sound effect.
Nice.
And then the other two smaller robots, they were made by a different company, Heath Kit, and they were sold as a kit of parts. You built them all up by yourself, soldered it all, then you'd write different programs. With Hero Junior here,
I'm gonna try to walk as I do.
as well. So you load up different programs with cartridge.
I was gonna say, like, this looks way more complex than this. This looks like it just moves around and that's it.
Yeah,
but
right.
this one, I mean, this looks like a giant RC car, if anything.
Yeah, pretty much.
But this one, I see buttons, I see LEDs, and I didn't even notice the cartridge until you pulled that out.
Again, one of the functions he had was a security mode, where you could program a path that they follow, and if he saw movement, he would ask for a clap code, and he'd create a custom clap, and if you didn't do the clamp properly, he'd call the police.
Wait, this one has a breadboard?
Yeah, you could add on sensors and kind of make your whole own thing. I saw someone on YouTube, I believe, has made one where it can tell what object it's looking at.
Okay.
It can like tell if it's looking at an apple or an orange.
Have like sensors. Oh wait, there's a sonar sensor in that one. And a light sensor. Where are these then? Are those basically the same?
Yeah, this one, it's like a motion sensor.
Oh, okay. Zenith, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, I misread that. I thought it said like health kit.
Yeah, right.
I thought it was used for like in the health, what do you call, industry or something.
Yeah, right.
Don't mind me, I'm trying not to put your face in this unless you're okay with it. Wait, this looks like an Atari cartridge. Is this for any of these? Or?
For him, this is a 3D printed replica of a prototype robot that they were planning on making for the Atari 2600. It was kind of going to be like Rob for the NES, where you'd play a level in that game, and at the end of the level, it would activate Edgerman here, and he'd roam around on this map, and he'd scan codes with like a UPC scanner.
This is the he stands right at this map.
That would load up the next level of the game.
Okay, that's really cool.
Yeah.
Here, I didn't, glad I asked because I just thought it was like a 3D printed model of this, and it was just a statue or something.
Yeah, right.
So it's an actual robot.
Yes, this is what it would have looked like. They were going to make them, and then the video game market crash hit, and they went bankrupt.
So you guys got people doing all that, or did you just take like an ad?
Yeah, this is the original advertisement. So these are the pictures that I based the replica off of.
Oh, so this was a thing.
Yeah, they were making it, but it never finished production.
Okay, so this one is the replica.
Yes.
What about the game?
Part is a replica, but it actually has the first level. It was all they had programmed before they ran out of money.
Okay.
So, a couple of years
That's
back,
really
we had
cool.
it for play, so you could play the first level.
Okay.
They never ended up hooking them up to the Atari, though.
That's amazing. So it's like found code, not finished, put it in the first part. Obviously, don't have the actual robot to go with it, so you guys actually recreated the robot, recreated the ad. Okay, that's so cool.
And, recreated the map as well.
Oh yeah, you would have to.
Yeah, and then if you beat the first level, you have to restart the whole console, so there's no way of continuing.
Am I able to pick that up, or
yeah,
I don't know how?
The head is separate. So.
I just wanted to see, like, just on the bottom. Is it because there's got to be a sensor, right?
Yeah, it's just blank on the bottom. But the original, we found out later, more footage came out, and the back actually went out a little bit more than the front, and that's where the scanner would be, pretty much like a grocery store UPC scanner.
So I didn't see anything on the bottom. So this is just the statue, right? This is not a real working. Okay, so it's not a real working thing. Okay, I thought that was the real working thing.
There is one known prototype though that has internals. Someone else has it.
Oh, okay. That's really cool though.
Thank you.
2024. All right. Well, nice talking to you.
Yeah, absolutely.
Thanks for the information.